Welcome to the Claritas 360 video series. In this video, we'll interpret a sample profile worksheet report. For more detailed information about interpreting these types of reports, please reference the link to the interpretation guide contained in the description box. The profile worksheet report provides details on usage of a product or service by each segment within the entire country or a selected analysis area. It can solve for business issues such as creating marketing campaigns for target consumers. We're going to use the following sample report to show you how to interpret a profile worksheet. In this sample report, we're looking at who's visited a coffee shop within the Atlanta CVSA in the last 30 days. First up is segment descriptors. Demographic descriptors for each segment can be included in the report output. In our example, we see that graduate degrees are the predominant level of education obtained within the movers and shakers households. Next is base count. This is the total number of households within the selected segment. In our example, there are 55,935 movers and shakers households in the Atlanta CBSA. The base percent comp is the percentage of households in the selected segment compared to the total number of households in the analysis area. So, movers and shakers households make up 2.56% of all the households in the Atlanta CBSA. Moving on to count. This is the total number of estimated households or adults within each segment that are likely to fit that profile behavior. Please note, if you're using an adult-based profile, which is denoted by an A at the end of the profile name, this will be the estimated number of adults. Otherwise, it's the estimated number of households. In our example, there are 13,757 adults within movers and shakers households in the Atlanta CBSA who are estimated to have visited a coffee shop within the last 30 days. Percent comp is next. This is the percentage of households or adults within each segment who fit the profile behavior, compared to all segments who fit that behavior in the selected geography. So, of all the adults in the Atlanta CBSA that are estimated to have visited a coffee shop within the last 30 days, 3.78% fall within the movers and shakers segment. Next within the profile worksheet report is users per 100 households. This is a proportion of households or adults that have the profile behavior compared to the total households within the selected segment. Out of every 100 movers and shakers households in the Atlanta CBSA, there are approximately 24.6 adults who have visited a coffee shop in the last 30 days. The final measure is index, which is the likelihood that the selected segment fits the profile behavior compared to the overall analysis area. In our example, that means movers and shakers are 48% more likely to visit a coffee shop than the average household in the Atlanta CBSA. Thank you for viewing this video. For additional help, please reference the Claritas 360 Knowledge Center or reach out to your account team.